beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Today's video is in English. I will make same video in Hindi. So if you are a Hindi speaking person, you don't understand English. So wait for this video until this video comes up in English. So this video is all about Jupiter's transition. So what is Jupiter transition? Jupiter is the most important planet, one of the most important planet, which affects on our wealth, on our spirituality, in our life, in our entire wealth situation, financial situation, spirituality, marriage situation, everything. So it's the most important planet, and it is transiting, it is moving from its own sign to all another signs. So it is own sign is what, like Sagittarius is its own sign. It's a ruler of ninth and 12th house, and it's moving out from Sagittarius. So when Jupiter is moving out of Sagittarius, the transition is happening. So there would be lots of changes in on all other zodiac sign. So this reading is all about this transition. So when is this transition is happening? 28th of November is the one when this transition is happening. So when Jupiter is transiting to some other house, moving towards other house from its own sign, it would be a different situation. So this reading is all about Jupiter transition. Here we are going to talk about all the zodiac sign, how this transition is affecting on all the zodiac signs, starting from Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, and Virgo. Another 6 zodiac sign I will cover in another reading. And do not worry, if you are my Hindi channel subscriber, you will also get this same video in Hindi after 2 days. So you do not worry about it. Just look at this video, because this is quite a important transition. So I wanted to convey this message to all across the globe. That's why I am making this video in English. So we will be focusing on the cards next few minutes, and we will be reading on your zodiac sign, those who belong, for those who are Aries, Leo, Virgo, Gemini, and Cancer, and definitely Taurus. So we would be looking at their reading, and we will see what transition, how transition will affect on in their spirituality, in their financial condition, in their marriage situation, everything, and in relationship. So let's get started. And one more thing, guys, I am giving away all those free reading, 3 free reading session, 1 personal healing session, and 1 wish box on every month. So like, subscribe my channel, and write down below to my video, and write down on my community page post. So I'm into below to the community page post. So you will get all those reading done, free reading done on my channel. So that's one of the chance, like free reading chance or free healing session chance you will get. So quickly focus. Let's go to the reading. That let's see how this transition is happening, how it is going to affect on your sign, whatever the sign you belong from. So some people, they ask me, what is this sign is about, like Vedic, according to Vedic astrology or Western astrology. So I would say this is according to your kundali, or according to your janam patrika kundali, or according to your horoscope, whichever the rashi, or whichever the zodiac sign it has mentioned on your horoscope. So this is according to that. So let's get started. So let's get started, guys. So let's see for Aries how Jupiter transition is working on Aries. Those who are Aries, how it will work in their life. You can see the cards. Okay. So I'll tell you 10 of cups, 8 of cups, and wheel of fortune, and the fool, and 9 of wands, and 3 of wands, and justice card, and 7 of pentacles, and 3 of pentacles. So that is all about your cards. And Aries, this transition, Jupiter is the lord of ninth and 12th house. Definitely ninth and 12th house, and for Aries it is going to transit and sit on your 10th house. It will transit its position, and it will be sitting on your 10th house. So how it is going to work in your life? It's going to give you name, fame, and prosperity. All three things you will get it very fast: name, fame, and prosperity. So for Aries, congratulations guys. It's like you are getting very good effect of from Jupiter, and you are getting name, fame, prosperity. All the four things you are getting from Jupiter transition. So name, fame, prosperity, and everything you are getting. Just a minute, I'll keep the card in such a way that you can see all the cards. Okay, now I believe everything is visible. So you are basically getting name, fame, and prosperity. And you are, if you are in business, so, and if you have a old business, you will plan to actually make it big, like you will expand your business, and you would think in a large scale. And if you are planning for a new business, you will all of a sudden you will find a sponsor. So the person who can basically invest in your business. So all of a sudden you will get somebody that who is willing to invest in your business. And if you are into judicial judge, or something like you are trying for UPSC or IAS officer or IPS officer, or police, or army job, you will definitely get this army job, or police job, or suddenly you will get a chance in politics also. If you are planning to do politics, or if you are planning to join in politics, so you will suddenly find a way how to join it, how to do that, and you will get the chance. You will actually get a chance to join politics, or army, or in police, or you can become IAS IPS officer if you put your hard work. I think it is very easily you will get it. Other time, what was the situation, like you were putting hard work but you were not getting that result, but here I am seeing that result would be pretty quick, as this is the ninth and 10th 12th house, lord of the ninth and 12th house. But for you it is going to 10th house. So name, fame, power, and dignity, these four things are coming to you. If you are in organization and till now there were no reward and recognition, this is the time when you are going to find your awards, recognition, and everything. And if you are in an organization where you are where you are thinking that I should change, this is the best time to change. Yes, this is the best time to change your job, because you are going to join some job where you will get good compensation. Now applying for visa, if you are going to planning for world tour, you definitely will get a chance, like you suddenly get some money where you can complete your world tour. If you are planning to go to some other places, some other country, you will suddenly get this visa. You don't even know yourself that how you are going to get this visa, but you will suddenly get a chance, or suddenly get some money that and you will find the way how to go to some other country. Your visa would be approved. So if you are the person who already applied for visa, or if you are in United States, or you are in UK, or any other country, you have applied for green card and it's not happening till the date of because of some documents, you will find another way and you will get your visa done. So that is one thing. And now if you are trying to do PhD, higher education, definitely you would be able to do some higher education, PhD. Like Aries are like getting the most benefit of this transition. And even for marriage, I'm seeing, see, the 10 of cups are suddenly you will meet your soulmate. So if you are the person who is thinking that, oh, my last love life was not good, there were some cheating happened, something happened to me, so this is the best time that you will find your true soulmate, and you are going to get it within next 10 or 12 days, after immediately after transition. So it is, you are getting most of the benefits during this transition. And like even spiritual growth I'm seeing in your life, that there would be a spiritual growth, so financial well-being, spiritual growth, and name, fame, power, dignity, and applying for visa, it's good. Expanding your business is good. If you are trying to find out new business, so you will suddenly find your business partner or sponsor for that. So very good thing. Aries, I would say the maximum good things are happening with you. And if you are already married, you will find out some good way to approach your spouse for further good prosperity or further future children or something like that. Because I'm seeing they if you are in marriage situation, or probably things were not going fine, sometimes you there were conflicts, sometimes there is a good time. So this would be the time when you and your spouse who both would understand each other, both would try to talk to each other and communicate and solve the problem. So Aries, for you the most benefits are coming from Jupiter transition, which is a very good thing. So that's all about Aries. Let's focus on other zodiac sign. Let me keep this little inside. Let's see how this transition working for Gemini. No, sorry, not Gemini. Aries after Taurus. Let's see how this transition is working on Taurus. King of Wands, Nine of Wands, the Devil, Six of Swords, Seven of Swords, King of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, and here it goes Queen of Pentacles. So this is for Taurus. Taurus, I am seeing your transition is occurring on ninth of the house, like it is happening on ninth of the house. Basically, Jupiter is the lord of ninth house, and they are coming to the, yeah, like they are also coming to your ninth house. And then there is a Saturn things also happening on the ninth house, same house as both of these major planets like Saturn and Jupiter. So altogether this is a double transit for you. So altogether double transit for you. And best time to find your guru, like you will find your guru now, your mentor, your guru. the spiritual guru of your life. You will find out this is the best time to find out your spiritual guru. I'm seeing, Taurus, you have some anger issues, certain anger issues, and you would be you keep telling somebody something, and then they get hurt, and then you get bad reputation. So these things will go up during these days. Like, I am not telling that you are the person like that, but sometimes you are going through some mental depression, challenging time because of your this anger issues, and you go through some mental depression or loneliness. You feel insomnia, sometimes you feel anxious because of some of the things, but those things will go away. I'm not telling that you are patient or you have certain disease. It's not like that. Just because of anger issues, self-control issues, on or are not being enough into spirituality, you are having some this kind of problem. You have enough knowledge, but you are not able to awaken your inner spirituality or inner soul or inner spirit, and that is why you sometimes face these issues like insomnia or health issues or something like that, and those things are getting away. You are getting rid of all those things. If you have some disease, this is the best time. Your all your disease would be cured. It's like it's your own time. You will not having those disease. If you are going through some disease, health issues, so those things will go away. I am also seeing you will find out the way to focus on your health. So you probably start going to gym, or you will keep a personal trainer or a relationship trainer. I won't say relationship trainer, but relationship coach, personal relationship coach, how to improve your relationship with others. Or you will try to talk to some people or go for counseling for your relationship, how to improve relationship with others. And you will also focus on your creativity. So if you are from creative field, you are definitely going to do something good, like creative field like singing, dancing, music, creative creative director, whatever it is. You are definitely going to find a time where you would be you are definitely going to focus on creativity more and find an opportunity in your creative field. If you are not from creative field, all of a sudden you will start writing or blogging. Suddenly you will feel that you have some qualification like that, and you will start writing and blogging. So that's what I'm seeing. Social media focus is more like you will make more friends during this transition, and social media things will happen more. If you are in creative field, I would say this is the best time. Focus on blogging. Or if you are in IT field, suppose you are an IT telecom engineer or something like that, you can focus on graphic designing or something like the writing, or writing a book, or writing some poems, or something like blogging, or starting a YouTube channel. So these things are going to happen with you. And I'm seeing some research work will also there. You will learn something. I won't say that it is research means it is only PhD or something, but you would try to learn more and more things in spirituality, in other field. You would try to gain more knowledge. So this is a good time that where you would start reading everyday newspaper, what is happening, what is current affair is happening, where what is happening. So like that it is. If you are from field of journalist or reporter or something like that, so you would definitely go for more knowledge gaining, and your salary and your promotion can happen there. Your salary may increase, or you would get a promotion. One more thing, I'm seeing that marriage proposals, some new marriage proposals are coming from social media. So probably shadi.com or something like that, you will get some new marriage proposals. And your past boyfriend or girlfriend, whosoever were there, you will suddenly get to know that these guys are cheating on you, and you will try to leave them and go for a married life, a proper marriage settlement. If you are a single person, so you would definitely get a new marriage proposal, an attractive person who would approach you suddenly for marriage. That would happen through social media. So you may find them from Facebook or Instagram, or you may find them from jibansathi.com or shadi.com or any marital portal. So that is also going to happen with you. Probably you will also join healing. Some people will start doing reiki courses, or start doing self healing and self cleansing, which is a good thing. So that's all about it. It's like ups and downs, a bit of down, like somebody will cheat you, your old boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner is cheating you, and you are at the same time you are finding some new friends, some doing some blogging, social media writing. So it's like ups and downs. Totally, I won't say total positive result, but it is ups and downs, somewhat okay situation for Taurus. Well, Jupiter transition, let's focus on Gemini. Let's see what Gemini. Where is the cards? Okay. Let's see for Gemini. Okay, so Gemini, your transition is happening from a your transition is happening on eighth house. So Jupiter is going to move to your eighth house, and basically eighth house is the master of sadhana. This is a sadhana wala house, like sadhana, and what to say. Meditation and dedication of spirituality. So you are going to be a spiritual awakening is going to happen this time, but lots of ups and downs. But during these ups and downs you would definitely focus on your spirituality and spiritual awakening. And I'm seeing this is like best time for getting married to. You would be getting, if you are not getting married, you are looking for marriage proposals, you are single person for a long time, you are looking for marriage proposal and not able to get married. So this is the best time to get married. And I'm seeing some of the new jobs or new things are going to happening, like new proposals. If you are already married, so you will probably change your job and you will get a new job, in you will get new job with new, like a brand new salary, salary, like brand new salary, I won't say, like a better salary or better compensation. And you would definitely get something like some new position. Probably you were a manager, you will get a senior manager, senior manager's position, account manager position, or a client relationship manager, senior client relationship manager's position. So this kind of things are going to happen, whichever the position you are now. So in new job you will get one level up, like according to the salary, according to the like management position, or according to the position, everything you will get better. So if I look at prospect of if I look at the career prospect, then this is the best time for career. Now if you are looking for scholarship or higher education, this is the best time you can go for scholarship or higher position. You will definitely get it. If you will apply for scholarship, you will get it. But this is also a time of spirituality. Probably your health will get affected for something of the other reason. So take care of your health things are like, I'm seeing some anxiousness, or something is going to happen, like insomnia, and some anger management issues, something is happening there. Otherwise this is a great time to work on your spirituality, your spiritual awakening is happening. Some of the bad things which will happen in this course, I think it will bring a great spiritual level, a spiritual awakening in your life, which will actually help in your future life to grow, actually which will help you in future to grow your spirituality and grow yourself as a person. So which is a very important thing. Now if you are in love, or you are in a relationship and you are thinking that the person will focus on you or give you commitment, so this won't be a best time to focus on that, because I don't see your past relationship or your current relationship person is giving you any kind of commitment. Top of that, I'm seeing that they have another options and they probably would like to move towards another option. But if you are seeing for if you think that you can go for a new person, like a very new person in your life, definitely it's going to happen. A great guy will come in your life, or great woman will come in your life, and they would help you in all other ways, like to bring abundance in your life or bring happiness in your life, and you can definitely get married to them and settle down. But your past relationship will not do good in the during this transition process. So I'm seeing that you may get a new proposal for marriage. So that is possible, some new person can enter in your life during this transition. So that is all about Gemini. And let's focus on Cancer. Let's see how these things are working on Cancer. Palace of Wands, the Tower, Three of Cups, Four of Coins, the Fool, Four of Swords, and King of Cups. Okay, so this is for Cancer. Cancer, I am seeing if you are married, if you are already a married person, definitely this is the best time to make your relationship good with your spouse. If something happens, some conflicts happen, and you are not able to focus, you are not doing good in your married life, like some problem is going on with your spouse, then this is the best time you can actually improve your relationship with your spouse. If you are unmarried, this is the best time to get married. I think those who are Cancer, I believe your person will give you commitment, and a very quick marriage, probably within 6 to 7 months you will get married to this person. So this person, if you are following a person for a long time, your lover, you are asking for giving commitment and they are not willing to give commitment, so this is the best time, ask them again, so they will give you commitment. Chances for commitment are very high, and some spiritual awakening along with your love life is quite good, means it's all good. If nothing is happening till now, nothing happened, and nobody like your lover did not give you commitment, so they would give you. Ask them, but convince them and they would be ready. Now along with this love life or a relationship thing with your spouse, this is a very good time for a spiritual awakening. So if you are thinking to focus on your spirituality, like you want to go for tarot reading, astrology, numerology, or reiki healing, so you can learn it, because this is the best time to learn all those things. Now you must more and more focus on the spiritual practice, probably will involve your partner also into the spiritual practice. If you are married already, even you are unmarried, probably your partner would be interested to take up the meditation course or something along with you, so you both will be focusing together into spirituality. This is also uh, new beginning for you. Till now I am seeing that you were not so confident, like mind wise, like you had some likely mind, like you sometimes you were confused, you think that what to do in this situation, or how to manage the situation and what decision to take, and you were always getting confused about everything, like about your career, your relationship, everything. So this is the time your mind will suddenly get stable and you would be able to take decision very quickly. Like till now probably there were a situation where you used to think that, oh, I may not be able to take the proper decision, I am not the right person to make this decision, I am not a good great decision maker. But this is the time you can actually focused on taking decision, because whichever the decision you took wrong, this is not the time like you take a wrong decision, you would definitely take right decision, and your decision would be very firm and prominent. Practice spirituality, and definitely new business opportunity is coming towards you, like if you are planning to start a new business, so definitely this is a very good time. Definitely you can take risk would make you, if you take risk, it won't you won't be unsuccessful, you would be successful in the business. And even without a partner, without even a business partner, without any sponsorship, you can take risk, you can take bank loan or whichever the loan, and you can actually suddenly start a new business and you would be very successful. And this is also a time for writing a book. If you want to write about your knowledge, you want to gain some knowledge, and also whatever the knowledge you gain, you want to write about, you blog, you this is the best time. You can blog. For blogging and writing, this is a very very good time. So that is all about it. Those who are from IT background, like engineers, or those who are from those who are looking for government job, I am seeing this is a very good time to get government job, especially in the banking sector. If you are looking for a job in banking sector, financial sector, job, and or police or army, this is a very good time to join police or army sector. And definitely a best time for love life, relationship, and everything, and marriage. So we will see, focus on Leo. Next reading is for Leo. I am doing 6 signs reading today, and tomorrow in night I will do another 6 signs reading. And this all reading would happen in Hindi by Tuesday or Wednesday. The Jupiter transit reading for all sign in Hindi. Okay, so Jupiter transition for Leo. So what is going to happen with Leo? Leo, this is a high creativity time. If you are from creative field, like you are a fashion designer, creative designer, you are a footwear designer, you are a singer, you are a dancer, makeup artist, wow, this is the best time. Start your own venture, start your YouTube channel, start doing something like that. This is the best time. But if it is something related with spirituality, it won't work that well. But if you are something related with creative field, definitely it is going to work very well. So focus on this, focus on creativity. Even you are not from creativity, you can suddenly go to your office and check it out if you have some work into the creative department or not, or if you have some work related with creativity, you can actually try to get your own idea into the process. You can speak with your higher reporting authority that I have some idea, and can you apply on this, apply these ideas in your marketing your company or something like that. It would work very well. If you are doing your own business, just bring some creativity into that, get some new ideas, that would be successful, which is a very important thing. Now this is totally a career time, but you have to take care of your disease, because I'm seeing that you may have some health issues related, like headache, all of a sudden stomach pain, all of a sudden liver issues. So these things would be there, small, but this small issues would irritate you, or would make your life a little bit difficult. Rest, I'm seeing that in your relationship thing, I'm seeing that there would be some conflicts with your partner. Definitely you would be isolated from your partner for sometimes, but definitely after sometimes he would come back to you, or some new person will come to you who would definitely catch hold of your hand and say, okay, hey, you know what, I want to marry you, if you are unmarried, a single. So I'm seeing some new person is entering in your life, and you have some conflicts with your, you are getting into conflicts with your old partner or the current partner, but at the same time some new partner is entering in your life. Some of, for some of you guys, I'm seeing that your old partner, like the person you love now or you are in love with, they would cheat you, or probably there is a chance of getting cheated by your spouse or your partner, current partner. But they will realize sooner or later, I think within 1 or 2 months after the conflicts, they will realize that they have done wrong, and they will definitely come into apology situation, like they will apologize to you saying that I'm sorry whatever I have done. But same time you will find some very good friend in your life, or very good love interest. So if you want to go for a new person and you want to just let go your partner because they have cheated you, you can. That is totally your own decision. That would be totally your own decision. So that is all about Leo during Jupiter transition. Let's see Virgo. Today's last reading would be Virgo, and next Jupiter transition transit, whatever is going to happen for rest of the zodiac sign would be tomorrow. Tomorrow night I'll release those videos. Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups, Page of Cups, 10 of the Tower. Okay, so for Virgo, your Jupiter is transiting and going to sit in your fifth house. And during these days, what is going to happen? Best time ever. Some of the places, like there were a little bit of conflicts, they are going to happen. So which happen with your parents or somebody from your family, but rest of the places are like, I would say, wow, this is the best time. If you want to get married, listen to me very carefully. If you want to get married, do it immediately. If you want to ask somebody for, suppose you like someone, you have crush on someone, like your crush, you ask them that would you like to go for a date, they will say yes, they will not say no. If suppose you want to marry someone, if you are in a relationship for a long time and you want to marry someone, ask them for going out with you, or ask them for commitment, they will say yes, they are not going to say no. This is the best time for relationship. What a good time for relationship. You want to get married, get married. You want to get engaged. You want to go for date, go for it. You want to go for living relationship, it's okay, you go for it. You want a commitment, ask ask this person and try to convince a bit. Uh, Sooner or later they are going to say yes. You don't have to convince them much. You just ask them, convince a bit, they will say yes. During this period, I'm seeing that if you work in late in the night and then wake up, you are not able to wake up early in the morning, something will change and you will start waking up early in the morning and start doing some meditation. That is going to happen with you. And also I'm seeing that if you are already married person, something is going on with your spouse, some divorce cases or something like that, or some, like, you don't want to divorce them and they are like kind of trying to divorce you, they will suddenly stop, they will not divorce. So that things, like I'm telling you, this is best time for Virgos to create a new relationship, getting married to, and to correct all the bad things, whatever the wrong things went on, like happened in your past relationship, everything. This is a relationship time. Definitely, you will gain some knowledge. For Virgo, I am going to tell you something very important. Like if you are trying for baby and you are not getting baby for a long time, so this is a very good time to get like you can conceive very fast. And whatever the things were not happening because of some health issues, probably you can go for a treatment. You can actually conceive. And also this is a good time for higher study and visa. So if you are trying for trying to travel to some other country, trying to get visa, and you are unable to get visa, this is the best time. You can apply for your visa and you will definitely get it. Gaining time, if you want to go for higher education, you can definitely go for it. If you want to go for a job, like government job, you can try for it easily. You can get it, even you don't have to put too much of hard work. You just work on it, take some coaching, and you will get it. Now, another thing, Virgo, if you are planning to take a new vehicle, there are chances to get a new vehicle, some four-wheeler, two-wheeler, whatever it is, you can take it. It's the time to purchase vehicle, and also you can purchase property or land very easily. This is a good time for that. So some abundance are coming in your life, like coming in your life, some good abundance time, good relationship time, very good transition. Like Jupiter is working well in your life, best time for making relationship, getting married, getting commitment. So Virgos, those who are not trying for those who are scared that probably your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner will say no, they will not say no. And if Virgo, if you have crush on someone, just out this time, it will work out well. Yes, but there would be some conflicts with your parents for some of the other reason, or your some of the relatives. So that would be there, and some argument will happen with your co-workers, those who are working with you. You may have some argument, but that is ignorable. Not that much that you would get fired in office, or something will happen major happen in your house. Not that big. So definitely it is a good time. This transition is happening for good. So next, for this transition, this important transition which has happened, going to happen on 28th of November. So I'm going to read out for you guys next on like tomorrow you will get rest of the science reading. Thank you guys, have a blessed day, and God bless you. And I make this video with lots of hope, and I believe that you should actually, you guys like this, like my video, and you should subscribe, like, and share my channel, and write below the community page post, and also below to my videos. Thank you guys, have a blessed day, and God bless you.